and today we're going to talk about why it's important to check your weekly settlements. Okay, so if you know someone, truckers, go ahead and share this or tag this to them, share this video out. I'm going to talk about why it's important to check your weekly, good morning Ryan, how are you? Your weekly settlements. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and hop right into, something happened. Okay, we're going to go ahead and hop right into the content. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mysherri. I am your tax GPS, helping you to navigate your way through taxes. Today, we're going to talk about why it's important to check your weekly settlements that you are receiving from your trucking company. The number one thing is to make sure that you're getting paid for all of your loads. And I know that's the first thing that truckers do. You want to make sure you get paid. So that's a given. I want to make sure I'm getting paid for everything. But sometimes you may not get paid for something because the broker didn't submit the right paperwork or you didn't send the right paperwork over. So just check to make sure you get paid for each and every load. If your company offers some type of fuel deduction or discount, make sure that you're receiving those discounts. I see that happening a lot. Make sure you're receiving those discounts. And then another one is detention pay. So if you're sitting, a lot of companies, they'll start to pay detention pay after the second hour. And I've seen that, okay, I have trucking clients that say, okay, well, I should have received my detention pay, and they didn't. So that's why you're going and you're checking up on your weekly settlements to make sure that the detention pay is on there. Make sure that all of your everything that they say is on there is on there. And lastly, this is the biggest one for me that I'm able to catch as an accountant. You want to double check to see if all of your normal deductions are coming out, your truck notes, your anything, all of those expenses that come out weekly that's always just coming out. I had a trucker who had a trucking expense that normally was $15 a week. Well, after I reviewed it, I had to go back and ask this trucker, what's going on, because this particular expense is now $60. Not saying that anything's wrong, but why did it go up? And she was like, well, it shouldn't have gone up. It shouldn't have gone up. So from $15 to $60 a week, which means that she's paying an additional $45 weekly. Now, that's approximately $2,340 a year. What will you guys do with an extra $2,300 a year? I mean, you can go on vacation. I mean, if we're just trying to give away money, I'll take it. Come and get the money over here. Like, what would you have done with an additional $2,300 just from checking your settlement and making sure everything is okay? It's a 5 to 10 minute thing to make sure that everything is okay. And I know a lot of we have a lot of the big carriers, they have all these deductions coming out, and you're like, I don't know what they're talking about as long as they pay me. Okay, but it's not always about receiving all of your money. You got paid for all the loads. It's also about checking those deductions that are coming out, because those little things may add up. $45 may not seem like a lot on a weekly basis, but $45 on a yearly basis, that's some money. And I want all my money in my hand. It's not yours. Give it to me, please and thank you. So, just to wrap everything up, why it is important for you to check your settlements every week. You want to make sure you're getting paid for all your loads. You want to make sure that the fuel deduction cost, if they said that they're supposed to give you 45 cents off, you want your 45 cents off or your 15 cents off. Give me my money. It's mine. You said you was going to give it to me. I'm running around here up and down the road, over the road all the time. I want the money that you say you're going to give to me. If you're going to give me detention pay, check to make sure you're going to get all of your detention pay. And then last but not least, and I find this happening a lot of truckers, you guys are looking over this. Please, please, please look over the statements, because those normal deductions that come out, it may just come out, oh, I know they just taking it out for the phone. Oh, I know they just taking it out for this. You have to check on that. You check on that, and you may be catching extra expenses. Like I said, I had a trucker where we were able to find $45 on a weekly basis that was coming out that she had no clue. So now we got to go back and change that, because now that would have been That's her saving over $2,000 for the year just because she took the time to review her settlements. Okay, so that is it for the day. If you guys have any topics that you feel like you want me to cover, go ahead and put it in the comment box, and I'll go ahead and cover that topic. If you have any questions, go ahead and hit me up. If you're having any concerns or wanting to do a free consultations with me, click the link below. I offer free 15-minute consultations just to assess your business and see where you're at. Until next time, my name is Mysherri Rose. I am your tax GPS, helping you to navigate through taxes. Bye.